Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I'm Wrakie Kunda, and welcome to the very first episode of WrakieTech. As a computer science student, I've always been fascinated by how technology shapes our world, and that's exactly what we're going to explore here on WrakieTech. From decoding programming puzzles to reviewing the tech that makes our lives easier, we'll cover it all, and yes, we'll have a good laugh along the way because who says tech has to be serious all the time?
Yeah, boy.
So if you're into tech or just want to see what this computer science life is all about, stick around and I promise you won't be disappointed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Let me know what tech topics you're curious about or any tech challenges you're facing. Thanks for tuning in. This is Wrakie Kunda, your host at WrakieTech, where we keep tech simple, fun, and real. Catch you in the next one.